Well, hello everybody. It is Artist King back with another video. So today I found a new stencil, which you see right there. I found that on sale at Hobby Lobby, which is where I go to get my stuff that I need for my art. Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Amazon. Those are my three go-to places for my art supplies. So I'm using one of my pencil drawings today, and I am going to do some mixed media on this. I think this one is a 5x8. I've discovered that the 5x8s work better with my camera screen and everything, and it gives a nice clear picture. So I think I'm gonna try my best to use 5x8s when I am doing my videos for the for my channel. Okay, so I use some flesh tone, kind of in a circular motion, and I use the leaves. So now I'm gonna put different stencils on there to kind of make it, you know, to kind of decorate the thing before I put my pencil drawing on. I'm trying to come up with some other ideas to use on my background. I have to do a little bit more research and stuff to get some other ideas, so besides stencils, as to what else I can use, so I can have some different, because I did one with the scrape art. I think I'm gonna do one with the spin art. That should come out, that should make for a nice background. So it is, yeah, so besides the spin art and the scrape art, I've already done those that I use the pour art as the background. I've used some of those that I did in the past. I think I'm gonna be known as the recycle artist because I'm recycling a lot of my stuff, which helps to save money, and you know, it gives you some type of variety with your work. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna talk through this whole video. I'm gonna just let you guys watch it. It's simple and straightforward, and I challenge anybody to try and do one of these themselves. It's very simple, very easy, and it's a lot of fun. So anyway, guys, remember Tuesdays and Thursdays and Saturdays. I'm sorry, I must be tired. Tuesdays and Saturdays is when I post. You can see a new video every single week, 2 new videos every week. And if you're new to my channel, there's over 112 videos that I've already posted that you can go and look at. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, you know, tell a friend, show it to somebody, leave a comment, that's important, and hit the like button. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this, and I will let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.